Best Diaper Bag Review. A diaper bag keeps parenting essentials at arm's reach, from bottles and baby wipes to tantrum-preventing toddler snacks and toys. It should be comfortable to carry and wear without requiring you to sacrifice your personal style. We look carefully over several factors, including material, design, value, ease of cleaning, and additional features, like pockets, when reviewing products. When you're searching for the best diaper bags, be prepared to spend some time going over your choices to ensure you get the one that best suits your needs. Number 1. Best Diaper Backpack is a bag. Nation Diaper Bag. This bag has all your bases covered. It comes with stroller straps, a changing pad, and a sundry bag. Made out of twill polyester, this bag offers durability, and it's water-resistant, which will be nice in case of rain or spills. It also has a whopping 14 multi-size pockets, which will make it easy to organize. You'll be able to keep your baby's dirty cloth diapers well away from his clean bottles with this many compartments. An insulated pocket in this bag will hold multiple bottles at once. When you're carrying it, you'll be sheltered somewhat from the weight by the padded shoulder straps, manly looking enough for your baby's father to use. Enough pockets to keep everything clean and organized. The stroller straps will save you a lot of heavy lifting. You can just attach it to the stroller. You could use this as a real backpack after your small kid days are over. Gray color. Number 2. Best Large Diaper Bag is AllCamp Zebra Diaper Bag. This nylon diaper bag comes with a changing pad, and it has more than 10 pockets both on the inside and outside of the bag. It has a zipper closure for the one main compartment. You can put bottles in the 3 insulated pockets. A larger exterior pocket is great for putting wet items in, and it keeps them away from the clean dry things in the interior part of the bag. It also comes with straps that hook onto the stroller, and it has shoulder straps that are padded. The material is easy to spot clean if it gets dirty. Roomy bag. Waterproof. The color of this bag will go with most of your outfits. Number 3. Best for breastfeeding mamas is a HaloVa multi-function diaper bag. Breastfeeding is no easy task, and moms need all the help they can get. This is especially true when you're trying to pump on the go or from work. Luckily, this diaper bag has everything you need to safely store bottles and breast milk. The front compartment features a multi-layer insulation material and 3 separate bottle pockets. Another compartment was designed specifically for holding wet items. Side pockets and multiple interior pockets also allow you to carry anything and everything you need. Best of all, the entire bag is made of a waterproof Oxford fabric. If a little milk or water gets onto the bag, wipe it away easily. Moms will also love the beautiful, sleek design and all of the 16 color options. We're especially fond of the soft pink and mint green styles. You can carry this bag as a purse with the included handles or as a backpack. Front compartment holds 3 slim bottles. Includes a special pocket for wet items. Choose from 16 fashionable colors. Made of water-resistant Oxford material. Number 4. The best diaper bag for twins is a skip-hop Forma diaper backpack. This classy-looking bag has a convertible shoulder strap that can hook onto the back of a stroller, which will give your tired arms a much-needed break. It's made out of polyester, which is a material that can take a beating. With 10 pockets, you'll be able to stay on top of the essential needs of 2 babies, with a little bit of planning and organization. It has 2 outside pockets to make baby bottles easy to access when you most need them, without tearing apart the contents of the rest of the bag in a frantic search for them. You can either carry it as a messenger bag or as a tote bag. The main compartment has a zipper closure. It has an easy-to-reach cell phone pocket. It offers a good mix of exterior-interior pockets. Uses patented shuttle clips to attach to a stroller. It includes a changing pad. The bag is phthalate-free. Number 5. Best Diaper Bag Set is a SoHo Diaper Luxury Diaper Bag Set. This bag is brightly colored and has an interesting pattern. It's not the type of diaper bag that will fade into the background, it's a show stealer. The bag is made of waterproof nylon and uses a drawstring to close. There are 7 interior pockets that are smaller in size and are insulated. 4 pockets are on the outside of the bag, including 2 pockets for bottles on both sides of the bag. It also includes straps that can be used to hook it onto a stroller. You'll also get a changing pad with this. 7-piece set includes everything a mom and baby could need. Multiple stylish colors are available. Extra wide openings let you see everything inside. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.